you ever wondered why some people seem to stop worrying about money long before they become truly wealthy? They're not driving flashy cars or living in huge mansions, yet they carry themselves with a calm confidence that feels completely different from those still stressed about their finances. Today, we're diving into the surprising reason behind this transformation. It's not about having millions or even hundreds of thousands. In fact, there's a much smaller number that marks a turning point for most people. Let's uncover why your first $25,000 can change everything about how you experience money. Easy to assume that financial peace comes only with massive wealth. But look closer, and you'll see that many people find relief from money stress long before they reach what most would call rich. They're not splurging on luxury, but something fundamental has shifted. The truth is, the transformation isn't about $1 million. It's not even about six figures. Instead, it's about reaching a key milestone that changes your relationship with money forever. But what's the number that makes all the difference? It's $25,000. This amount might seem random, but for many, it's the point where money starts working differently. Once you reach this milestone, you'll notice a shift not just in your bank account, but in your mindset and daily life. Suddenly, you're not just surviving, you're starting to thrive. Let's explore why this number is so powerful. Think of building wealth like playing a video game. Each financial milestone is a new level, unlocking abilities and opportunities you didn't have before. Your first $25,000 is one of the most important levels. It's not just about the money, it's about what that money allows you to do. With every level you pass, the game changes, and so does your approach to money. Why is $25,000 so special? Because it's often the point where financial stress begins to loosen its grip. Imagine walking on a tightrope with no safety net. Every unexpected expense feels dangerous. But once you have $25,000 saved and invested, you finally have a cushion. That safety net brings peace of mind, letting you breathe easier and worry less about what might go wrong. The financial cushion, your focus shifts. Instead of constantly worrying about emergencies or setbacks, you can start thinking about possibilities. What could go right? What new opportunities can you pursue? This change in mindset is one of the most valuable parts of reaching your first $25,000. It's not just about avoiding disaster, it's about opening doors to growth. Studies show that financial insecurity increases stress and makes it harder to make good decisions. When money is tight, your brain is stuck in survival mode. But with a solid financial cushion, your mind is free to think bigger and plan for the future. You stop asking, how do I survive? And start asking, how do I grow? That's the real power of financial security. Imagine you invest your $25,000 and earn an average annual return of 8%. Without doing anything extra, your money could generate around $2,000 in growth each year. Suddenly, your money isn't just sitting there, it's working for you 24 hours a day. This is when you realize that wealth isn't just about what you earn, but about what you keep and grow. Getting to your first $25,000 isn't easy. It takes discipline, careful budgeting, patience, and sometimes sacrifice. But here's the good news. Once you reach that milestone, the process starts to accelerate. Your money joins your team, helping you move forward faster. The hardest part is building the foundation, but it's also the most rewarding. The biggest benefit of reaching $25,000 is just the money itself. It's the person you become along the way. The habits you develop, saving, investing, being patient, are worth even more than the money. These habits can be repeated, helping you build wealth again and again, no matter where you start. Your relationship with work changes too. When you have savings, you gain options. You can negotiate with confidence, explore new opportunities, or make decisions from a position of strength instead of fear. Money in the bank means you're not trapped, you have the freedom to choose what's best for you. Many people make a big mistake when they finally reach their savings goal. They spend it right away. But your first $25,000 isn't a reward to splurge on. It's a foundation to build on. Every dollar you spend today is a dollar that can't grow tomorrow. That's why patience and discipline are so important. Successful people understand the power of opportunity cost. Every dollar you keep invested is a dollar that can multiply over time. The patience to let your money grow is what separates those who build lasting wealth from those who don't. Remember, the foundation you build now supports everything that comes next. Let's be clear, $25,000 won't make you rich overnight, but it will change how you think, plan, and approach opportunities. It's the first step toward a new financial reality where you're not just reacting to problems but actively creating your future. The key to reaching this milestone is consistency. Stay patient, keep saving, and don't get discouraged by slow progress. The hardest part is building the foundation, but once it's in place, everything becomes easier. Your future self will thank you for the effort you put in today. Think of your financial journey like walking a tightrope. When you have no savings, every step feels risky and every gust of wind could knock you off balance. But with $25,000 as your safety net, you can walk with more confidence, knowing you have something to catch you if things go wrong. That safety net isn't just about money, it's about peace of mind. You're no longer living paycheck to paycheck, worried about every unexpected bill. Instead, you can focus on what matters most to you, whether that's family, career, or personal growth. With your basic needs covered, your mind is free to think bigger. You can start setting goals, planning for the future, and exploring new possibilities. This is where real growth begins, not just financially, but in every area of your life. When you're stuck in survival mode, every decision is about getting through the day. But with a financial cushion, you can start making choices that help you grow. You're no longer just reacting to problems, you're creating opportunities. Once you have $25,000 invested, your money starts working for you. It's like hearing an employee who never sleeps, always generating returns. This is the beginning of passive income, the foundation of long-term wealth. As your money grows, you benefit from compounding, earning returns on your returns. Over time, this effect accelerates your wealth building, making it easier to reach bigger goals. The earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. Reaching your first $25,000 takes discipline. It means saying no to short-term temptations and yes to long-term rewards. Every small decision adds up, and over time, those choices create a solid financial foundation. Budgeting isn't just about restriction, it's about making your money work for you. By tracking your spending and prioritizing savings, you take control of your financial future. The habits you build now will serve you for life. Building wealth isn't about quick wins, it's about patience and persistence. The journey to $25,000 may feel slow at first, but every step brings you closer to financial freedom. Trust the process and keep going. Sometimes, reaching your first big savings goal means making sacrifices. Maybe you skip a vacation or cut back on dining out. But remember, every dollar you save today is an investment in your future. The rewards are worth it. Once you hit $25,000, something amazing happens. Your progress accelerates. With your money working for you, each new dollar saved adds to your momentum. The journey gets easier and your confidence grows with every step. The habits and discipline you develop on the way to $25,000 can be repeated. Once you know how to build a foundation, you can do it again and again, reaching higher milestones each time. Success becomes a process, not just a one-time event. With savings in the bank, you have more negotiating power at work and in life. You're not forced to accept the first offer or stay in a job you dislike. Financial security gives you the freedom to make choices that align with your values. Savings open doors. You can take calculated risks, explore new opportunities, or invest in yourself. Whether it's starting a side hustle, learning a new skill, or taking time off, your options expand with your financial foundation. When you make decisions from a place of strength, not fear, everything changes. You're no longer reacting to emergencies or scarcity. Instead, you're choosing what's best for you and your future. It's tempting to celebrate reaching your savings goal by spending it. But remember, your first $25,000 is the foundation for everything that comes next. Protect it, nurture it, and let it grow. The real reward is the freedom and security it brings. Patience is a superpower when it comes to building wealth. The longer you let your money grow, the more powerful it becomes. Don't rush the process, trust that your efforts will pay off in time. Every dollar you spend today is a dollar that can't work for you tomorrow. Opportunity cost is about recognizing the value of patience and delayed gratification. The more you let your money grow, the more opportunities you'll have in the future. Your first $25,000 isn't the end, it's the beginning. It's the foundation on which you can build greater wealth, security, and freedom. Every financial milestone starts with a strong base, and this is yours. Reaching your first $25,000 changes how you think about money. You move from scarcity to abundance, from fear to confidence. This mindset shift is just as important as the money itself. With a solid foundation, you can start planning for bigger goals, buying a home, starting a business, or investing for retirement. The possibilities expand as your confidence and resources grow. Consistency is the secret to long-term success. Keep saving, keep investing, and keep building on your foundation. Over time, small actions add up to big results. Reaching $25,000 is a huge achievement, but it's not the end of your financial journey. Use the habits, discipline, and confidence you've built to reach new milestones. Every step forward brings more freedom and opportunity. The effort you put in today is a gift to your future self. Every dollar saved, every good habit built, and every smart decision made will pay off down the road. Your future self will thank you for starting now. No matter where you are on your financial journey, keep going. Stay patient, stay consistent, and trust the process. The hardest part is building the foundation, but once it's in place, everything else gets easier. Building a strong financial foundation doesn't just benefit you, it can impact your family, friends, and community. When you're financially secure, you can help others, give back, and inspire those around you. After reaching your first $25,000, your relationship with money changes. You see it as a tool for growth and opportunity, not just a source of stress. This new perspective is empowering and opens up a world of possibilities. Take time to celebrate your progress. Every step forward is an achievement, and recognizing your wins keeps you motivated. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is made up of many small victories. Now that you understand the power of your first $25,000, set your sights on the next milestone. Whether it's $50,000, $100,000, or beyond, use the same habits and mindset to keep building your wealth. To sum up, your first $25,000 is more than just a number, it's a turning point. It changes how you think, plan, and live. Stay consistent, stay patient, and keep building. The foundation you lay today will support everything you achieve tomorrow.